Well, I said, what you eating for dinner?
Oh, I don't know. Fish fry.
Fried fish?
No, fried jerk.
Oh, you got the jerk seasoning?
Marinade.
Oh, so the fish are already marinated? Oh, you got the half hour marinade.
I ate.
You got the half an hour marinade.
Yeah. But I'll probably put it in longer than that. Though. It's like 2. I'll probably just get up and toss the fish and shit. Put it in about
Hour and a half, something like that.
Eat about 6, huh?
About an hour and a half.
Something like that, yeah.
And then what you gonna batter and fry it or put it in the oven?
No. Just go ahead and put it in the oven and let it bake.
Yeah, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, you know. Flaky fish don't take that long to, you know what I mean, to cook.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know. It's like last time I cooked it sometime last week, it was like still like done.
Yeah, it tastes milky, don't it?
Yeah, no, I just tasted fishy.
Yeah, like, well, sometimes it's a point like after the fishy where it'll take milky, you know what I'm saying? It'll taste milky and shit. What you having with it?
Fried potatoes and green beans.
Potatoes, boiled potatoes, baked potatoes, fried potatoes.
Baked potatoes.
Oh, baked potatoes and green beans. I don't know, I might eat some tuna fish or something. Sandwiches. Last few days we've eaten shrimp. We had some shrimp parmesan. Then we had shrimp crab cakes one day. And the day before that we had shrimp crab cake.
Oh, okay.
What you had yesterday?
I had yesterday, chicken, rice.
Oh, fried chicken and rice? Baked chicken and rice. Oh.
Fried.
Oh, alright. Hold on for a second, go, alright?